Hi, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is January 24th, 2016. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains or losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. U.S. market is still in correction. However, a short-term rebound seems like to be in place. Uh, Starting from last week, about Wednesday, I have entered a long position through the ETF, and this is a short-term trade. It is not a long-term holding. Let's take a look at the market indices. German DAX index still in a downtrend. However, it has a little rebound here. Nasdaq monthly chart, long-term chart is still in a downtrend, and it made a double bottom and broke the annual moving average, 12-month moving average. Now it's in a downtrend. However, you can see we reached the previous low, which was made last August. So market is due for a short-term rebound when they hit the previous low. Uh, Nasdaq daily chart, as you can see on Wednesday, market had a big job, but by the time the market closed, it almost erased all the losses for that day. So the range is very large. It's about 3% of the vibration range, and the volume is really high. That's indication their institution buyers stepped in before the market closed and lift up the index. So as I saw that on Wednesday before the market closed, I entered my short-term trade long position. So for now looks good. Thursday market held, didn't break the low, and Friday market actually rise up for a high percentage, but the volume is kind of light on Friday, and it is not the Wednesday was a day one because it made a new low, and Friday was just a day three. According to IBD, the Investment Business Daily, we have to wait for on the day four and later. After day four, five, seven, from day four to day seven, or even can all the way to the day 12, if we have a high percentage gain with a high volume, that would be a follow-through day. Friday is not qualified as a follow-through day because the volume is lower. Besides, Friday is a day 3. So next week, let's wait for the follow-through day. Follow-through day may indicate the starting of a new bull phase. However, only 60% of follow-through day is successful. And that means 60% of the follow-through day became the starting of the bull market. So for now, we just play the short-term trade. Mid cap is the same, rebounded here, and small cap, Russell 2000. A monthly chart, it's broke previous low, and weekly chart of the Russell 2000 is still downturn. And daily chart has a short-term bounce, and this is a Nasdaq monthly chart. It hits the previous low, and as you can see from weekly chart, it actually undercut the previous low. It broke the previous low. However, on Wednesday, Nasdaq rebounded. So did the SP 500. SP 500 also had this open low, and intraday uh, it actually broke previous low. Basically, intraday it hit the 1812, but by the time the market closed, it closed pretty high on the high half of the daily range. Therefore, I went long on the SP 500 index on the Wednesday. So for now, this trade still looks good. And gold still in a downtrend. However, it held this range. So gold is now trading on another higher level compared with the previous range. Previous is a 1040 to 1080. Now it's trading between 1070 to 1100. So this gold is making staircase up. So it may reverse the previous downtrend. We don't know that for sure, but for now, the gold looks good. Silver does not look as good as gold. Silver is still in this trending range of $13.70 to $14.30. So gold is still in this trading range. Silver is still in this trading range. Gold mining stock ETF downtrend. It may have a short-term bounce, but the overall trend is going down. US dollar is in the uptrend. Crude oil rebounded, but the overall trend is still going down. Energy ETF, a downtrend, although it rebounded a little bit. China Shanghai Stock Exchange Index is heading toward previous low that was made on last August. As you can see, it's almost get there. And daily chart for Shanghai Exchange Index is still in the downtrend. It doesn't look like it has any kind of bounce here. FXI is the ETF traded in US. This is in the downtrend as well. Short term, it can bounce back from oversold. IBB is a US biotech ETF downtrend. IYR is a US real estate ETF downtrend. It actually came to the previous resistance, so here it may just go down again. Jets is a airline ETF downtrend as well. Copper price downtrend. MBB is a mortgage bond price is actually swing up, so market seems like a coming down. Semiconductor ETF downtrend. Social media ETF downtrend. Solar stock ETF downtrend. Financial ETF downtrend. This doesn't spell well for the market. It's still in a very persistent downtrend for the financial ETF. Right now, I'm play short-term rebound through the ETF. I'm long the QQQ, which is a 1 times Nasdaq index ETF. SPXL is a 3 times SP 500 index ETF. And I will sell at the resistance, and when the market rebound to the previous resistance level, I will sell. Or if the market break the recent low, that means I was wrong to long the ETF, then I will sell. I will take the loss and get out as well. And my position is very small here. And when I long those 2 ETF, I only have like about 20% of my account value doing this long. The other 80% I'm still in cash. What to do in this current market? Cash is the best place to be in. And one may play one may play short-term trade for a few days, but don't let the short-term trade turn into the long-term holding. And wait for the market to follow through and confirm the current rally before long the market for the longer-term trade. And that will be all for today. See you next week.